Hi everyone, come on in. Today I am making some bacon egg foo young. Okay, you can get your bacon from wherever you like. You can use imitation bacon bits in general. You can fry your bacon in the microwave. You can fry it on the stove top. I'm baking mine for about 20 minutes in a 400-degree oven because I want 1 cup of um, bits of bacon pieces. 1 cup full, not real big pieces, but small pieces of bacon. I need 1 full cup full. So this is the bacon that I'm using. I'm using some uncured dark meat turkey bacon. You can use any kind of bacon you like again. And we are back. Here are the ingredients. Okay, I have a cup of my bacon here that I cooked. That's exactly 6 slices broken up, but it may be a little more or less depending on the size of bacon you use, if you're using bacon like I'm using. Okay, next we have 4 large eggs. Here I have 1 cup of chopped green spring onion, 2 cups of chopped carrots, and 2 cups of, oh, excuse me, I'm eating, 2 cups of sprouts, bean sprouts. Now, to season this, I'm going to be using here a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Please, with any recipe, season it according to your desired taste. Now, the cabbage and bean sprouts, they can be substituted. You can make substitutions here. You can use very finely chopped cabbage, or add more bean sprouts if you like. It's a variety of ways you can make it. Always make things according to your desired taste. That way you enjoy it. And this uncured bacon, it is good. Okay, next step. Okay, now we're going to get these ingredients into my mixing bowl. I will put all the ingredients, the measurements, in the description section under the video. Okay, the veggies are in. It smells so good. And it's not even cooked yet, but it smells great. So I'm going to toss to combine. And then I'm going to bind it with our eggs. Pretty color. And this is our batter for our bacon egg foo young. Just mix until it's very well combined. And don't forget, season according to your taste. There might be certain seasonings that you desire. You can put black pepper in here, white pepper, even some minced garlic if you like. It depends on what you like. But do those additions, please. And subtractions, if that's the case. Okay, that is mixed well enough. It is wet, it is a batter, it is ready to be cooked. First, let us prep our gravy mixture. Okay, let's prep for our gravy. In the cup, I have 2 cups of water here. You can use broth. Beef broth is great in this. Next, I'm going to guesstimate a tablespoon of oyster sauce. Oops, okay. That should be it. Okay, next I'm going to put in a teaspoon of sugar, which is totally optional. However, the sugar just correlates with the salt and it makes it great. Next is going to be 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. This is how thick I want my gravy to be. You might be happy with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. You'll know after you make it. But I like my gravy kind of thick and clingy, so to speak. Now I'm simply going to stir this very well. And just before you get ready to use this gravy, it's very important to stir it again. Because your cornstarch will absolutely be settled on the bottom of the cup. Now you can add some black pepper to this, according to your taste, some white pepper, a little garlic powder, onion powder. It depends on you. You can even put some minced fresh garlic in here and make it your way. Okay, I have stirred that well enough. I'm going to stir it again just before I get ready to use it. This is our gravy mixture. With the egg foo young, here's what I like to do. Take a 1/2 cup size measuring cup, fill it, and just put it into my frying pan to cook it. But you can scoop it any way you like. And now we are getting ready to cook. It's our first scoop. Scoop number 2. So we're going to fry it about 2.5 to 3 minutes on each side. Give it a nice little cool flip. With the help of a spoon here. There we go. And we are cooking. Okay, and our first 2 patties are finished cooking. You'll want to grab some paper towel or either some type of rack to put this on to get rid of the excess oil. Now, let's move to the gravy. Okay. You want to grab your cup of gravy mix. You want to give it a good stirring again. Stirring from the bottom. And you want to grab a skillet and allow it to heat up on medium-high heat. Let it get hot. Come to a boil. As it comes to a boil, give it a good stirring. It needs to boil at least 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes. And then turn the heat off. And it is going to thicken, making our delicious, delicious gravy. Look at that beautiful gravy. As it cooled, it will thicken. Now, let's pour this delicious hot gravy over this very yummy bacon egg foo young. I need a little bit more right there. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That is absolutely delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy.